Hello everyone. Welcome back to Professional Career Update. I'm Poonam Raghuvanshi. In today's session, we are going to learn about a PROC export. So first of all, we have to understand what is the PROC export. PROC export is a SAS procedure that is used to export or save a data set into another file format like a CSV file, Excel file, text file, right? And sometimes like a PPT file. So it makes it easy to share your data with people who do not use SAS. So let's understand the basic syntax, how to export the SAS file. So for that, I'm sharing my screen. So this is my SAS file. Here I have one data, that's the demo data. You can see this. I have study ID, subject ID, and age group, and gender, race, ethnicity, and age in year. So what I'm doing, I'm going to write the program for this data. So PROC export PROC export PROC export data. Which data I want to export? Demo. So that's why I have written the demo. Out file where I want to save. So I'm giving the path. So for path, like I have one folder in my desktop. This is the relog. So when I right click here, right there, properties पे गई. Properties with, can you see this location? I copied this location. Paste. And पूरा path copy करना है. Like मेरा folder name है the plot. So you can see here. यहाँ पे मैं एक डेटा सेव कर रही हूँ डेमोग्राफिक नेम से मुझे चाहिए एंड एक्सेल फाइल चाहिए. एक्सेल फाइल का जो एक्सटेंशन रहता है xlsx एंड DBMS डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम क्या है मेरा एक्सेल. सो xlsx रिप्लेस अगर इस नाम से मेरी पहले फाइल एग्जिस्ट करेगी तो वो रिप्लेस कर देगी. ठीक है, तो जस्ट मैंने सिलेक्ट किया प्रोग्राम एंड देन click on run button. Now you can see data is created successfully. चलिए देखते हैं. So replot लिखा मेरा. So demographic Excel file type. Now you can see my data is saved over here.